To transfer money from your bank account to Cash App, you first need to link your bank account. This process involves a few simple steps that we'll walk through together. In the Banking tab, you'll find an Add Bank option. Click on this to begin the process of linking your bank account to Cash App. Cash App offers two methods to link your bank account. You can either use your online banking login credentials for instant verification or manually enter your account and routing numbers. If you choose manual entry, you'll need your bank's routing number and your account number. These can be found on your checks. The routing number is the first 9 digits, and your account number follows. After entering your bank information, Cash App will verify your account. This verification process typically takes 1 to 2 business days and may involve small micro deposits to confirm your account ownership. Once your bank account is verified, you can add cash to your Cash App balance. Simply select Add Cash, enter the amount you want to transfer, and choose your linked bank account as the funding source. Standard transfers from your bank account to Cash App are completely free and typically take 1 to 3 business days to complete. Always double-check your bank details before linking to avoid any transfer issues. Cash App offers instant transfer options that can get your money in minutes instead of waiting days. These instant transfers work with most debit cards and select bank accounts. However, instant transfers come with fees. The fee ranges from 0.5% to 1.75% of the transfer amount, with a minimum fee of 25 cents and a maximum of $15. Verified Cash App accounts have a transfer limit of $7,500 per week. To use instant transfers, follow the same steps as standard transfers, but select the instant option when prompted. Be aware of business day processing times, especially when initiating transfers on weekends. Standard transfers may take longer to process if started on Friday evening or weekends. Cash App prioritizes security with bank-level encryption and fraud monitoring. All transactions are protected, and funds held by their banking partner are FDIC insured for your peace of mind.